Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best cleaning machines is probably one of the most effective ways to refresh your living space. These machines are designed to tackle tough stains, eliminate odors, and revitalize your carpets and upholstery. Whether you're dealing with pet messes, food spills, or general wear and tear, a good cleaning machine can make a huge difference in the overall cleanliness and appearance of your home or office. Number 5. Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Cleaner 1400B. This is America's #1 brand in portable deep cleaning, trusted by millions of households. It is designed to make cleaning easier and more effective, helping you maintain a cleaner home. This cleaner is scientifically proven to lift and remove over 100 common messes and stains. You can say goodbye to the stress of spills and messes with this powerful tool. The formula permanently removes stains and eliminates odors for like-new results. It ensures that the treated areas are left clean and refreshed. The large-capacity clean water tank allows you to clean more, uninterrupted. This feature ensures that you can tackle larger cleaning tasks without constant refills. Removing stains is easy, just spray, scrub, and suction. This simple 3-step process makes cleaning quick and efficient. Deep cleans stains and odors beneath the surface instead of spreading them around with paper towels. It offers a more thorough cleaning solution compared to surface-level methods. Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. By purchasing this product, you are also contributing to a good cause. What we like. This cleaner is a lifesaver for tackling everyday spills and stains. It's incredibly easy to use, just spray, scrub, and suction. If you have kids or pets, or simply want a quick and effective way to clean up messes, this is the perfect choice. Plus, every purchase helps support a great cause. What people say. It works, which is the biggest thing for me. The machine is relatively light to carry around and is compact to stow away when finished. I liked that the electrical cord was very long, which made it easy to use in rooms with only a few outlets. Number 4. Bissell TurboClean PowerBrush Pet Carpet Cleaner 2987. This amazing carpet cleaner is designed to tackle tough messes. It's perfect for homes with pets and high-traffic areas. You'll love how easy it is to use. The 4-row deep-reach power brush roll lifts away dirt and stains. It gets rid of what your vacuum leaves behind. This feature ensures a thorough clean every time. This cleaner is great for cleaning up after your furry friends. It's perfect for small spaces and area rugs where pet messes often happen. It makes cleaning up after pets a breeze. The compact design makes cleaning carpets easy and convenient. It's lightweight, so you can move it around your home with ease. You will find it simple to store as well. Never clean with dirty water again, thanks to the 2-tank technology. The tanks are easy to remove, fill, and empty. This ensures a fresh and effective cleaning experience. What we like. This machine is designed to make pet mess cleanup a breeze. The powerful brush roll lifts away dirt and stains, and the compact design makes it easy to maneuver. If you're a pet owner dealing with frequent accidents or high-traffic areas, this cleaner will quickly become your go-to solution. What people say. It really extracts the water very well, so that the rug dries quickly. Easy to use and does the job. Super powerful water extraction and the simplest removable water filling bottle. It removes stains with ease. Number 3. Bissell Little Green Pro Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner 3194. This is Bissell Little Green Pro. It's our most powerful spot and stain cleaner. It works great on carpet, stairs, upholstery, and even car interiors. This cleaner is designed to tackle tough pet stains and embedded dirt. It combines strong suction with scrubbing action and a professional cleaning formula. You'll get the best cleaning results. Get professional style results with this portable deep cleaner. It removes deep down dirt and stains effectively. It's perfect for keeping your home and car clean. The package includes a deep stain tool, a 3-tough stain tool, and 2 8-ounce trial size formulas. Everything you need is right there. It's easy to use and ready to go. With every purchase, Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation. The foundation's mission is to help save homeless pets. You're making a difference with your purchase. What we like. This cleaner offers professional style results in a portable package. It combines powerful suction and scrubbing action to remove deep down dirt and stains. If you're looking for a heavy-duty cleaner for carpets, upholstery, and auto interiors, this one will deliver exceptional results. What people say. This machine is lightweight, compact, easy to use, works amazingly on set in pet stains, easy to store, and most importantly it is easy to clean and dry before storing. The suction power is genuinely impressive for such a compact unit, and it successfully removed some old coffee stains I thought were permanent. The cleaner helped me with my new dog stains, which is the reason for my purchase in the first place. 1. Suck urine plus clean plus 80% dry the spot, that saves me towel cleaning and no more paper towel waste. 2. Reduce time on spot cleaning. 3. Dirty spot contained from spreading. 4. The cleaner filling valve. Number 2. Sunny and Honey Carpet Cleaner, Spring Mint Scent. Tired of stubborn stains? This carpet cleaning solution from Sunny and Honey is perfect for pet owners and families. It works with all major carpet cleaner machines, making it essential for keeping your home clean. Need a powerful stain remover? This solution packs a punch, using just a small amount to revive your floors. It's great for tackling old stains, leaving your carpets looking fresh. Dealing with bad odors? This rug shampoo not only freshens up your carpets but also leaves a light spring mint scent. It's perfect for getting your home guest ready. Worried about safety? This pet carpet cleaner solution is made with clean ingredients and essential oils, safe for both your family and pets. It's biodegradable and cruelty-free. Want to rediscover your carpet's beauty? This carpet cleaner solution leaves no residue. It's perfect for regular upkeep and tackling messes, keeping your home inviting. What we like? This solution is perfect for freshening up your home and tackling tough stains. The fresh spring mint scent leaves your carpet smelling great, and the pet-safe formula gives you peace of mind. If you're looking for a solution that's safe for your family and pets, while still being effective against stains, you should consider this. What people say. The formula is strong yet gentle on the carpet fibers. It's effective at lifting dirt and grime without leaving behind any residue. The shampoo smells fresh but not overpowering, which is a nice bonus. After cleaning, my carpets look and feel revitalized, much softer and cleaner. Number 1. Rocco and Roxie Pet Stain Remover. This pet stain remover uses a professional strength formula to tackle even the toughest stains. It releases active oxygen molecules to remove deep-set or new stains, dried food spills, and general dirt. The powerful encapsulation technology binds to dirt and detergent. It forms crystals that can be vacuumed away, leaving no soapy residue behind. Your carpets will stay cleaner, longer. This solution works in all carpet cleaner machines. It's great for pet parents dealing with accidents on carpets, rugs, upholstery, and car interiors. It makes cleaning simple. It's chlorine-free, color-safe, and safe to use around pets and children when used as directed. This pet carpet cleaner solution is also certified safe for all carpets by the Carpet and Rug Institute, CRI. We want the best for your best friend, and so do you. If you're not satisfied with its performance, contact us. We are determined to make it right for you. What we like? This solution is a powerful cleaner that removes tough stains and odors. The encapsulation technology ensures no soapy residue is left behind. If you are a pet parent and want a reliable and safe solution for your carpets, rugs, and upholstery, this is the one for you. What people say. The machine is lightweight and easy to maneuver. The attachments are easy to use and switch out. The suction is powerful and removes dirt and stains effectively. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.